The story follows a young woman who is asked to finish the book series of a renowned author, Verity Crawford, who is bedridden after a tragic accident. To do this, the girl moves into Verity's house, where Verity's husband and their child live. But behind those closed doors, there is much more than meets the eye. Secret silence and a chilling mystery begins to unfold as she discovers what really happened and what might still be hidden in the shadows. Today, we are going to get to know Verity by Colleen Hoover, a gripping story full of mystery, suspense, and unexpected twists. Verity centers around Loven Ashley, a quiet and struggling writer living in New York. Her life takes a sudden turn when she is offered a unique and urgent job to complete the remaining books in a successful series by a best-selling author, Verity Crawford, who can no longer write after a terrible accident. Though hesitant at first, Lowen agrees out of financial need and travels to the Crawford family to work. There, she meets Verity's husband, Jeremy, and their young son, both still deeply affected by a series of tragedies that have shaken their family over time. The family story includes the heartbreaking loss of twins under different circumstances, and now Verity is bedridden. Silent state adds to the heavy atmosphere. As Loven begins sorting through Verity's notes and papers, she stumbles upon a hidden manuscript, an unfinished, raw autobiography written by Verity herself. The manuscript reveals shocking and disturbing secrets about Verity's past, her marriage with Jeremy, and the pain behind the family's fame and fortune. From their early days as a couple, through parenthood, and the pressure of their public life, the story exposes many dark moments in detail. Reading the revelations, Loven feels a mix of anger and confusion. Verity, who remains unresponsive upstairs, takes on a new and unsettling presence in Loven's mind. The house grows more claustrophobic as Loven wrestles with what she is learning, questioning everyone around her, the truth of the story she's been told, and even her own choices. Verity is full of suspense, obsession, and moral dilemmas, blurring the lines between the truth and lies. With each chapter, the tension rises, pulling you deeper into a chilling atmosphere where trust is fragile and nothing is as it seems. One thing I took away from Verity is how unpredictable people can be. Sometimes we see is in the full picture. It's shaped by circumstances, emotions, and hidden motives. When the truth finally comes out, it forces us to question everything we thought we knew. Verity by Colleen Hoover is a simple yet powerful romantic suspense thriller that left me thinking long after I finished it. The ending in particular is twisted and confusing. Maybe that's exactly what the author intended, to leave us unsettled, unsure, and still piecing things together. Loven, the main character, feels the same confusion as she reads through Verity's manuscript. And as a reader, I found myself right there with her, questioning, doubting, and trying to make sense of it all. So, if you enjoy stories that keep you guessing, blur the lines between truth and deception, And don't shy away from complicated emotions. Verity might be the perfect read for you. It's a book that stays with you long after the last page, making you wonder what really happened behind those closed doors. Thanks for joining me today to get to know Verity by Colleen Hoover. If you have read it, I would love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share in the comments. And if you haven't, maybe now is the time to dive in and see where the story takes you. Until next time, happy reading.